I get asked all the time, Todd, when I'm doing videos to put in my advertising, what should I be talking about? I'll answer that question in a second. First, I want to touch on what you should be recording those videos with. It needs to be a cell phone. And the reason it needs to be a cell phone is because if it's a super high production value, you hire a video team to come in, do all this stuff. People are conditioned to recognize what advertising looks like. If they see something that's high production value, it looks like an ad in our mind, we skip it. If it's a cell phone video, much more likely to engage, much more likely to see what exactly it is that you have to say. Second thing, like I promised, what do you want to say on those videos? A great topic is simply comparing CPAP to a sleep appliance. What does a CPAP do? How effective is it? What does a mandibular advancement device do? How effective is it? One of the best videos you can create. Secondly, if people are experiencing signs and symptoms, let's say you're trying to reach people who have yet to be diagnosed, touch on the signs and symptoms and possibly touch on the reason they might not have addressed it yet. It could be they're scared of getting put into a CPAP. Well, guess what? There's an alternative out there that you might not know about. And here's what it's called. It's called a mandibular advancement device. Here's how it works. So those are two ideas for videos. Get creative. I've had clients record videos on their boats with their dog in the background. And those videos converted very well because they look like a natural conversation on social media. It doesn't look like an advertisement. So get creative, and hopefully those two ideas for video topics spark some ideas for you.